We'll guide you through how to create a PayPal account for beginners. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a PayPal account is extremely convenient. It allows you to easily go and pay for things. So you can go and pay for things on websites using it really easily, as you can have your details on there. You can also go and receive money on there, and you can go and send money to others, amongst other things as well. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. To get started, you can go and get the PayPal app from your phone store, like the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then, after you've got it, go to the bottom right and you can go and press sign up. Now, you need to go and enter in your email address. So go and type that in now. You can then go down and you can go and press next like this. You need to go and enter in your phone number. So we can go and tap that there and enter it in. You can enter it in and press next. You're then going to be sent a code, which you'll need to go and enter to go and confirm it. So I'll go and enter it now. I've now done that, and now we can go and enter in a password. So make sure it goes and matches the requirements here. Now we need to go and enter in a few details. So you need to go and choose the nationality. I've already got that set correctly. Enter in your first name, last name, and then your date of birth. Press next at the bottom, and then you need to go and choose your tax residency. So I am, so I'll press yes. Then you can go and press continue. Now you need to go and add your address. So go and enter in your address here. After you've entered in your details, you'll need to agree to these different PayPal things up here, and you can then press agree and create an account. And now the account is being created. I'm going to go and allow Face ID so I can easily access it. Now we can go and add a way to pay. So you can go and enter in your details here, or even go and scan them to make it easy, and then you can easily pay. You'll see this about PayPal Plus. I'll go and skip that for now, but you can go and set it up, and then we're ready to use PayPal. Press done, and that's it. And you can go and press set up your account to go and finish that, but we can go and start using it for now.